Se stai valutando un nuovo software,
If you're considering a new software to manage assistance and maintenance services, you know there's no such tool.
uno strumento su misura per te. Magari hai già usato
Maybe you have already used applications with features that you do not need and you had to invest in expensive and ineffective customization.
Oggi c'è una soluzione diversa.
Today there is a solution, Appsistance by Evolvex.
Appsistance è un nuovo
Appsistance is a new way to make the most of your company's resources.
È un sistema componibile.
It's a modular system of independent applications that interact perfectly with each other without constraints.
Con Appsistance,
With Appsistance, your technicians can view their appointments from their smartphone, check the list of activities and materials,
attività e dei materiali, geolocalizzare,
geolocate and stamp the presence on arrival,
redigere
write down the digital interventions, collect photos and information on the needs of the
le
last
esigenze
moment.
dell'ultimo momento. In contemporanea,
At the same time, you, from the office, always have the situation under control, and you can plan maintenance, manage telephone and email ticketing, consult and create digital documents.
digitalizzati. Appsistance
Appsistance does not require installation. You don't need a server. It's a secure data cloud service that you can use from your tablet, PC or smartphone, wherever you are.
per saperne di
To
più.
learn more, call now or send us an email. You can find all links in the description.
Buon lavoro!
Stay tuned with Appsistance.